Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix your outreach strategy with BuzzSumo step by step clearly. Start by logging into your BuzzSumo account. Once logged in, navigate to the Content tab in the dashboard. In the search bar, enter relevant keywords related to your outreach goals. Click on the search icon to generate your content ideas. Review the results based on shares, backlinks, and engagement. Identify high-performing content that aligns with your outreach strategy. Take note of the influencers and authors related to that content. Next, go to the Influencers tab in BuzzSumo. Use the same keywords to find influencers in your niche. Filter the results based on relevance and engagement metrics. Select a few key influencers to target for your outreach. Create a list of potential outreach contacts from the influencers. Now, craft personalized outreach messages based on the content they've shared. Make sure to highlight how your proposal adds value to their audience. Send out your outreach messages and monitor the responses. Use BuzzSumo to track mentions and new backlinks generated from your outreach. Analyze the effectiveness of your strategy over time. Make necessary adjustments based on your findings. Repeat this process regularly to continually optimize your outreach strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.